Hello and welcome to Improve Your Voice, aka vocabilities.com. My name is Darren McStay and today is a 2-minute tip which I'm going to share with you on how you can project your voice safely. Now whether you're a singer or a speaker, it shouldn't really matter. I got this idea from a singing coach when I was 15 years old, but I can see how it relates to speakers also. So if you're someone that can't find how to create volume with your voice, here's a little idea of something you can do in order to make that happen for you. And you're going to try it out. Now the first thing you're going to do is learn where your pelvic floor is. Okay, so basically the muscles that are in your groin that stop you from weeing and pooing, those ones that hold off you wanting to go to the toilet, that's your pelvic floor muscles. And what you're going to do is you're going to engage them, so tighten them up. And at the same time, you're going to try your best to relax your belly. It's a bit tricky because some of those muscles are interconnected, but you do your best. It's really important that you kind of hold the toilet muscles, the pelvic floor, and then relax. Take a full breath as you would normally, opening up the back. If you haven't seen my balloon breathing method, you should check that one out and then come back to this, but it doesn't really matter. So breathe in, relax your shoulders, relax your belly, tighten the pelvic floor muscles. Now you're going to create a hum into an R, so a ah. This time when you do it, ah, you're going to add a yawn. So you see what happened? It kind of, my larynx have gone lower and I've created more space. So it's almost like I'm about to yawn. So from ma to ma. Relax the belly, hold the pelvic floor muscles, and now what's going to happen when you do it next time with the yawning and the relaxed belly and the pelvic floor, you're going to try to fart. Alright, so you're going to use the fart as the force to push the air up, but you need to have that yawn feeling in order to release any space so there's no tension and restrictions in there. Here's how it's going to go. So you can change your note. You can hear it when I switch it on. It just helps send the air out. And the reason we hold our pelvic floor muscles is that we don't actually follow through and end up weeing or farting or even maybe worse. So that is my 2-minute tip for today, and that is something you can use in order to find and play around with the idea of projection and doing it safely. So creating space, and that yawning sound will open up the areas to let the air out. Relaxing your belly will allow you to control your diaphragm with more ease as you try to fart, which is in fact controlling your diaphragm, pushing the air up in a controlled manner. All right. Thanks for watching. I'm Darren McStay. This is vocabilities.com, aka Improve Your Voice. This has been Darren's 2-minute tips, and I will see you next time. Until then, look after your voice.